What's good, everyone? This is Sujay with Overrated. Today we're doing part 3 of our Avatar: The Last Airbender reactions. In this part, we're watching episode 5, The King of Omashu, and episode 6, Imprisoned. We got a packed house today, along with myself reacting. We got Grish, Brian, Sid, Will, and Kellyanne. I apologize for the video quality on this one. We are trying a new grid system, which didn't work quite the way that we wanted it to, so it looks a little bit fucked, but don't worry, for future videos, we're going to go back to the same style we had in parts 1 and 2. If you haven't seen those, check them out, but otherwise, let's get right into part 3.
Cities like this in the South Pole.
Yeah, because you're a fucking tribe of like 20 people.
Don't melt. Well, let's go, Slowpoke.
This is the introduction of the best character in the entire show.
Alright.
Oh, my cabbages!
That guy?
The cabbage merchant, yeah.
Just keep smiling.
He's a very dynamic character.
I know to take every comment from Grish with a grain of salt.
No, like...
Yeah, for
Pretty
real.
much just ignore them completely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Settle down, old timer. Just
Whoa.
tell me who you
Not
are.
dirty to me.
Yeah.
Hi, June Pippin Paddleopsicopolis. Nice to meet you.
Pippin Papsicotalopolis.
You see my
That was
That
pretty
was
spot on.
marvelous.
See, that's
That was
your
very
grandfather
spot
stayed
on,
out of
whoever said
trouble.
that.
Thank you.
Enjoy your Mashu.
We
The only lady in the chat, put your hands up.
Grish?
Wait up.
Boomy found a better use for these shoots.
Wait, he has to be dead, right? Like, 100%.
Look around you.
Yeah, dude. 112 years.
Mail system?
For anything.
The freeze frame.
Where's the fun
You're
in
probably
that?
wondering how I got here.
Oh, the mail system, it's all ruined.
There's a lot of stuff getting ruined besides the mail system.
Their civil infrastructure.
Although there's this elaborate system for getting mail down, but to get it up, they just lift it up. Like, there's nothing about getting it up.
Why couldn't they just lift it down? Yeah.
Misunderstand that the entire purpose of this mail system is so that Aang can ride it in the ship.
And destroy shit in the process.
Oh, no.
I spent 10 years making that pot.
My entire life story in red ink.
Is that the dude? Bro, he's like
Ooh.
10 billion years old now.
As if he couldn't just catch it.
Right?
Yeah, if you have enough time to move your hands like this, you have time to go like this, like...
The Avatar.
Avatar, what do you think of my new outfit?
Ooh, he's pimped out now.
Opinion?
Do I look
Grish is clearly a fan.
Dude, I like it.
I guess it's...
Challenging.
I don't have time
Very
for
intimidating.
crazy games. Give me my
He just
friends
ran at him.
leaving.
Oh, I thought you might.
Yeah, and he's like
refuse,
12 years old.
So I will give you. Those delightful rings are made of pure genomite, also known as creeping crystal. It's crystal that
Kinky.
glows remarkably fast.
What?
By nightfall,
Who knows what he's into,
hands will
you
be
know?
completely covered in it.
Just put one of those on your dick and let it
I
go.
can stop it.
What in the...
If
As a kid, I always thought this is like what Momo would like evolve into, like that big thing.
You still have too much Pokemon.
I did.
Who has
Like,
it,
it's the
though?
evolved form of Momo.
You haven't even seen my final form yet.
Dude, this whole episode is just like an acid trip, honestly.
Guys, are
I
you
like
Spoken as someone who's never done acid
Crystal
before.
slowly and on. I'm ready for the next challenge.
Jesus Christ. Voice actor had a good time with that one.
is that you?
That looks like Discount Zuko, that first guy.
True.
Holy, what's he
My
so
boy.
swole?
He's so...
I know.
He's had
That's what 100
140
years
years
of
to work on that bod.
Yeah, if Aang is God, this man is like God's dad.
Yes.
On steroids. I forgot to
Oh.
mention that part too.
He's God on steroids. This guy is to Aang what Aang is to God.
Are you
Yes.
hoping to catch a cold?
Okay,
That's
honestly,
the Airbender way.
this is pretty anime-like too.
He's shoulder pressing a boulder in midair. Like, so impressive.
Actually, his arms
Look
aren't
at this-
straight, so.
Look at this man's lats right now.
This was a kid's
Boomy,
show.
you're
You're a
fucking
mad
psychotic.
genius.
You are
Clearly,
clinically
you know,
insane.
Boomer, you tried to legitimately kill me like 2 times.
Look, his head comes up to Boomy's like lower chest, like to his abs. Like
And it looks like you're in good hands.
they didn't do shit the entire episode. How does he know that?
Yeah, they were a burden.
And
Momo has unparalleled strength. This mad god. Oh no, a girl.
Thought detected.
And we wouldn't want an accident, would we? Fire. It's sometimes so hard to control.
Or you just suck at firebending.
Yeah, that's what he meant, Sid.
Sid, you should tell him that.
How can you say that? Haru has a gift. Asking him not to earthbend is like asking me not to waterbend. It's a part of who we
Slight
are.
flex.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See this necklace? My mother gave it to me.
it's beautiful.
I lost my mother in a Fire Nation raid.
Kind of tacky,
This necklace is
TBH.
all I have left of her.
Hell yeah, and her mom
They
died.
lost their parents and bonding over that. Have some empathy.
Yeah, what is Haru doing right now? He's just pushing
They're holding
down.
back the
There's a way
mountain.
you can help me.
No, he's not. He's not even using
I want to
earthbending.
see you. It's the only-
See, he just got up and nothing happened.
I like how they're hiding the earthbending and she's just out here like fucking waterbending in the village.
He had to fill up a water vase that's directly below the
you,
spout.
you can just put it under the sink and turn it on.
Herds of animals use them for shade?
He's like, hey, take it easy. Oh, I didn't even notice that
I will
part.
not
I
back
forgot.
off. I bet elephants get together and make fun of how large yours
He's-
is.
Guys, seriously, my ears aren't that big.
Coughs.
Impossible.
There's no metal bending.
Good day.
That'd be pretty.
What, metal bending?
Can't just go around bending everything, Brian.
Yeah, Brian, there's a system to this.
Katara?
Haru!
That was the most feminine voice I've ever heard.
Yeah.
It's my fault you were
Haru!
kidnapped. I came to rescue you.
Nailed it.
So, you got yourself a
The plan is to survive. Wait out this war.
This guy's plan is to wait out 100-year-long war.
Forget this ever.
Shawshank Redemption, but the Tar edition.
But I know a few. Benders, let us fight for our freedom!
That guy coughed. Take him out. Take him out.
Don't solitary confinement.
off all the vents except one. When he does his
Did he just drop into a burning furnace?
Yes.
Right back here.
He coughed. Take him out.
Here's your chance, Earth.
Some coal would change these people? Look at these
Yeah.
He's really attacking them personally now. Look at this ugly motherfucker right here.
This big ears guy right here.
Do you think if they remembered about the guy in Solitary?
He's just stuck. He's like, guys. Oh no. Zuko.
He's like, what a tacky piece of shit.
Yeah.
If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Follow our Instagram at Overrated Podcast. Also check out our podcast, which is on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and right here on YouTube. Season 2 of Overrated starts next week, so be on the lookout for that, and we'll be back Monday with our next part of Avatar Reactions. Thanks for watching, and this has been Overrated.